Welcome students. Today I will discuss 2 or 3 previous year questions on logarithmic differentiation. But first we should know that exactly in which condition we are going to use the logarithm. The condition is that if a function is given variable to the power variable, in this particular case we will use logarithm. And to use logarithm, we should know some properties on logarithm. That is, log AB is equal to log A plus log B, log A by B is equal to log A minus log B, log x to the power m is equal to m log x. The first question is given that differentiate log x whole to the power tan x. See one thing here. Here log x is a variable and also tan x is a variable. Just before I told you that if a function is given, if a function given in the form of fx to the power fx, fx to the power gx, that means variable to the power variable. See that one thing, fx to the power gx. That means fx is a variable and gx is also a variable. In this case, we will use log to solve these problems. First see that let y is equal to log x whole to the power tan x. Taking logarithm of both sides, we get log y is equal to log of log x whole to the power tan x. Now we are going to use this formula. Log x to the power m is m log x. So that's why log of log x whole to the power tan x can be written as tan x into log of log x. Now the question is given, that is log y is equal to tan x into log of log x. Differentiate the above function with respect to x. That means d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of tan x into log of log x. Okay. Now derivative of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx. Here we are going to use the product rule, because take tan x as fx and log of log x as gx. So we know that formula. Taking the first function, take the derivative of the second function, plus keep the second function as a constant and take the derivative of first function. That means what I did here, again I am telling you, tan x, take tan x as fx and log of log x as gx. So what is the product rule is saying that tan x d by dx of log of tan x, log of log x plus log of log x into d by dx of tan x. So tan x, derivative of log x, using chain rule we get 1 by log x, again derivative of log x, that is equal to 1 by x, plus log of log x into derivative of tan x is x square x. Now dy by dx is equal to what? Y into tan x by x log x plus log of log x into sec square x. Now in place of y we can put y is equal to log of tan x. So here I put log is equal, in place of y I put log of log x to the power tan x whole into tan x by x log x plus log of log x into sec square x. This is the answer. Now this problem also can be solved using a trick. If this question carries only 1 mark, then you can use this trick to solve this problem. So what is the trick I am telling you? If a function is given y is equal to fx to the power gx, that means if a function given variable to the power variable, remember one thing what I am saying, if a function given in this form variable to the power variable, then simply dy by dx is equal to y whole into gx by fx into f dash x plus log of fx into g dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx, g dash x means derivative of gx. Again I am telling you that formula. If a function given y is equal to fx to the power gx, that means variable to the power variable, then dy by dx is equal to y whole into gx by fx into f dash x plus log of fx into g dash x. So using this trick, I am going to solve one problem, that is y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. Now see that sin x is a variable, cos x is also a variable. So we can consider that variable to the variable. Now take that this is fx, this is gx. Just put this formula to solve this problem. So dy by dx is what? Y whole into gx by fx, that is cos x by sin x, f dash x, that means derivative of sin x, that is cos x, plus log fx, that is log sin x, into derivative of g dash x, that means derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. So finally put the value of y here, that is sin x to the power cos x whole into cos by sin cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. So this trick you can use if the question is asking for only if the question is carrying for 1 mark only, but for your board exam you just follow this method what I told you just before. This is a shortcut trick only for the 1 mark questions. You can use this. Now second question I am giving here, differentiate sin x to the power cos x. Similarly the question is given in the form of variable to the power variable. So now let y is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x. Taking logarithm of both sides we get log y is equal to log sin x to the power cos x, that is cos x into log sin x, that means log y is equal to cos x into log sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of cos x into log sin x. Derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Here we can use the product rule, cos x dy by dx of log sin x plus log sin x dy by dx of cos x. 1 by y dy by dx cos x, derivative of log sin x, using chain rule we can find out 1 by sin x, again dy by dx of sin x, log sin x into derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. If you want to know the chain rule, then you go to see my video number 2, or I will give you the link. You will observe that in class 2 video. Okay, next 1 by y dy by dx cos by sin x, that is cot x, derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Now dy by dx is what? Y whole into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Then put the value of y here, that is sin x to the power cos x. Already the question is given in the form of sin x whole to the power cos x whole into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. Next question, find dy by dx if x to the power y is equal to y to the power x. Here also the same thing is here, that is variable to the power variable and variable to the power variable. So if a question given in the form of variable to the variable, we told you before that you use log to solve this type of problems. So taking logarithm of both sides we get log x to the power y is equal to log y to the power x. So that can be written as y log x is equal to x log y. Differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of y log x is equal to d by dx of x log y. Now here put the product rule, y d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of y. Similarly in the right hand side also we are going to use the product rule, x d by dx of log y plus log y d by dx of x. Now y derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to x derivative of log y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx. Here also we are using the chain rule, plus log y derivative of x is 1, log x dy by dx minus x by y dy by dx is equal to log y minus y by x. Taking dy by dx common we get log x minus x by y is equal to log y minus y by x. So finally we are getting the result dy by dx is equal to log y minus y by x whole divided by log x minus x by y. Thank you.